Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I went shopping this morning in my own supermarket. I went to the freezer section and I pulled out all the tomatoes I grew last year because I used up some and froze the rest. And now I'm going to actually can them. So they're still frozen. I'll probably can them tomorrow. There's 3 peppers in here that I froze. They're going to be canned with them. And Lurch went shopping, well, nipped down the supermarket at the weekend for bread and that. And so brought me a head of celery so I can do all this. All I'm doing is basically going through these tomatoes, and as you can see, they're still solid. Yeah. Mason doesn't like when I tap on the saucepan. But I'm taking off all the... because I give them a wash and that before they went in the freezer, but I didn't take the ends off them. So I'm just going through and taking all the ends off them. And putting them in my stock pot, and then tomorrow I'll cut them up. In fact, I might no, can't really cut them up when they're solid. But tomorrow I'll cut them up, add these peppers to them, and some celery and can, because I tried it last year with some tomatoes that I bought, and oh, it's lovely. They're the peppers that are going in. There's about 3 peppers in here, I think. Could be 5. Can't remember now. So what I'm doing at the moment, just me tomato. So that's all I'm doing at the moment, is getting these tomatoes ready for canning up tomorrow morning. Some of them I've started to thaw out because they've been out for a few hours. So I'll see you tomorrow anyway when I've done stuff with it. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect